Greetings and big up on yourself again, guys. Welcome once again to the Bars Beats program. Now, today we'll be talking about this issue with the altercation that went down between DJ Mac and Popcorn. We have to wonder what's going on in the music industry. Now, we'll talk about the incident, we'll talk about the backstory, and basically talk about, the impact afterwards. So, before I go any further, I'll just ask you guys to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and you can share the video, like and share, and the whole works. Right. So, as people know, that they said that Popcorn pulled up on DJ Mac and couple slaps passed on to him, but the main target was Valiant. Seeing? But Valiant left the scene before anything could happen. Alright. So, jumping at the backstory to this here now, because we know I'm keeping it too quick. Alright, they said that Popcorn, Valiant came from almost like say it came from the camp. You understand? So, Popcorn used to keep a thing we call unruly fit, where Valiant when one it's all over social media still, so I'm not talking what is not there. He went on stage and were according to Popcorn wasn't performing properly, and the Popcorn go up there and call him out, and say, boy, you're not perform good, and if you're not perform good, not ask no more strength and the whole 9 yards, and embarrass the man.
She love me. She says she have a man, but she still won't fuck me. This relationship was fucking. As my put say,
you don't like him, they don't like him. I have to tell you straight. So if you're not ready to go up on stage, don't ask Popcorn for calling up on stage if you're not ready. So you better go training camp. So you tell him, go to the what? Training camp.
Alright, so Valiant, we don't know what mean between that, but Valiant boss. Long story short, him boss. And bad blood between him and Popcorn. So him always been showing him shade and, cussing out Popcorn, but him not really call him name. But everybody would actually know who him talking. And DJ Mac is a virgin or in a little camp with Valiant. And also Armani. So them group of people are par. Right? So I saw it go. But before me even go further, me and our sister need a reason one time with the same situation between Valiant and Popcorn, right? Where you see Valiant bust on a disrespect or I say bad things about Popcorn and him camp. And me assure her a thing say, and more wanna tell me one thing too, If Popcorn never got so harsh pan Valiant and say, boss man, if you're not a perform, you come for perform and stop your foolishness. If him never got so harsh pan him, maybe he won't get that vibe there, that energy if he say, you know what? Boy, I'm embarrassing, I'm not make this happen to me again. Me, I tell the sister and say, watch her. That is why make Valiant get so big in the game. Because if you look around Popcorn, you see a bag of artists. And me not really know of none of them boss. Me know say you have some man in the camp like Zamunda. With a brother their name again. You have an ex-Rasta guy who sing a song who say, "Can't giving up now. We got up a fight. We gotta be ready." Pay me for that. Yeah. We not hear no much more from them artists there. We're par with Popcorn. But Valiant was one of them in a little clique there. And Valiant boss. So if sometimes you have to get a harsh piece of criticism for looking at yourself and forward and get into the business. And that is my thing. So even though Valiant boss and have a Popcorn for what him do to him should at the end of the day give thanks to know say boy the man rough him up and make him go to the drawing board and do him thing and forward. Zane? So inadvertently a Popcorn give him a wake-up call for make him know, say, watch out, work by your craft, boss man, and put it to the people. Because they don't know if you're busy. If you're busy business, if you do your thing, do your thing. Alright, make we go back to where we are talking about now. I want to stray from the point, but I still want to tell me what I think about that. Alright. So the event happened at Taboo. Seeing? Where there's a Valiant there, Mac there, Armani. And Armani was him. I am have the song where them say around the place right now. Can't remember the title like, but it depend a rhythm where I think a Mac produce it. Seeing? So them they at the party and them a say boy Popcorn get a window the location where then there and him a plan for pull up. But somebody tell Valiant say boy, yeah what, Papi a pull in, you know, so no better take on yourself. And I saw Valiant take on himself. But Mac and Armani now, them say some say a Mac and some say Armani lost their wallet. So as so comes them never leave. Right? So while them there they now, I saw Papi pull in and take it to Mac. Saying? Alright. In the story now you have people that say boy are the girl them round them. We give out the little intel pan the artist. Make Popcorn pull up. Boss man, me never know if it's about that, you know. Foolish is. First you have one man say that. Because I listen to somebody vloggings them, you know. I have to listen to them to me support. They must say, some say one man come in and say are the woman. Then an entire set of people are coming and say, boy, yeah man, the woman them fit, the man them fit take run where woman them fit around them and the woman them are inform. A foolish, as far as I'm concerned, a foolish is that. You don't know who, so don't speculate. Then the artist they want a woman around them. It come like the man them want the whole of the space they around the artist them for be a man each up around them. Right? A phone and people can send message. But that's irrelevant. The man them pull up. Me see one video I circulate, I go drop it there, you see. But to me that not verify if you say it or what happen or that the video where sure. Because me hear a set of people say no lick no drop. Me then say a little rumbling go on. Some say a box down in get, some say a kick down, some say all sort of thing. Me no know. And me nah put no little passa in it. So that happen. And then it make whole heap of news a spread and man I eat food or fight out of vlogging and so, which include me still. But me nah try mix it up no further because here what my thing now, the effects me are going now. Alright. Popcorn one of them was supposed to see in Protege go to prison. Right? They are prisoner of a battle for come out and pay millions of dollars to pay a lawyer to make some sweet talk for him come out. Right? Out of prison. Whether him do it or not. In their prisoner. The fact that him and Sean Storm. And a badness make it happen. Who want to prove who a man and who a girl and who a boss and who a slave and all sort of something. And that continue, and this is something where I continue in the music business. And it will continue for a long while. Because a man wants to show say him a man. And that's why some man straighten up themselves with a bag of army around them. Pay a millions of dollars with for man around them where I say yes and say nay and all sort of things. Where, me not gonna say it not necessary, but it becomes a culture now where artists, the more money you have around him, I bother him be. Saying? But when it comes to the music part of the business, the man them are low and go wide from it. Popcorn a big artist. Valiant, big artist. Saying? DJ Mac a big producer. And he might not just producer, he's a beat maker. Me never know if he write song, but a big youth in the game. I want uptown youth where forward up in the business and I do him thing. See? And Armani, a big youth, a big artist, because I have a song where I run a place now. Where at the street said that. So I now go around that. See? But the other day Popcorn did some little thing where he go overseas, and when he go over there, he get something was in police record not straight, and him have to send a thing to the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness, the Honorable, most Honorable, if he say straighten up this thing. So him know where the effects of having a criminal record cause. Also, a criminal record I sit where we stay in you. And enough of the time you make a move and you don't realize the long outcome of it. You rush a one man, and you rush a one man, and you go have to put him down because the resistance what you expect. Great, you never expect such a great resistance. So a thing left from 0 to 100 in a split second. You know want that. You understand me? So my thing at the end of the day is to tell the artists them say just look and leave the badness, man. Leave the badness. And the next thing me want to say to all Valiant now, who are my artists as well. All the dancehall artists, them are my artists. The dancehall and reggae. They are my artists because you know what? The whole way come from a yard. And a lot of the artists them and the rich people them are poor people who turn rich. Saying? But when money there, power there, and influence there, it carry bad mind with it. Saying? It carry violence. We know that. And the artists ain't supposed to know that by now. So, me I say, Valiant, your boss. Your aunt, you did under Papi Wings, and your boss. Now your boss, the man na approve of you and the man na call you up in anything. Just do your music and allow certain things now. Saying, just allow certain things because by you, if you ever throw a shade, if I never popcorn, you throw the shade after. The street house say a popcorn. So you have to be a little bit wiser than that. And there are saying we say the good warrior know if he choose in battle. I know if he choose in battles. So me want to consider you as a good warrior here, sir. Choose your battles them. And do your music. And your music can make money. Saying, yeah, one time you used to starve, now you're not starve. You eat a decent food. So go and eat the food. Saying, sometimes you might have a player one hypocrite and just yell at one man for your career. Because at the end of the day, if you go wrong and end up at prison, your career start to get a blow, you know. You have to pay a lawyer this big bag of money here. If you talk two nice things in front of the judge for your gone out. You see me? So my thing is just low certain things, brother. If you can patch up two pothole and make things work for your music, you patch it up because you're a talented youth. Zane, Popcorn, we know say you set the thing from cartel days. Saying your entourage and big and a whole heap of yes man in it. Believe it or not, once you have your entourage, you are a king. And if you say, rrr, I be a rrr, I go take place. It no matter who, are you come down to. So, just make a thing stay music, no? At some point in time, I beg a man just drop their ego. Make the music run. And from the make the music run, brother, everybody eat food. Everybody eat food. The vloggers them like Amia eat food. Saying the music fraternity eat. But we don't want down here in a barrel of warm. Popcorn make it out of a barrel. Valiant make it out of the barrel. Amani make it out of the barrel. Mac, the whole of them make it out of the barrel. Now with the backside we are war ourselves and a draw down. We are draw down poorer than we in a barrel. And we are draw down artists back in a barrel. Lefty mentality, no man. You see me? Drop it. It's like all Massacre, you know. Massacre is a man where I do him thing. Who you hear Massacre worried? Everybody has a Massacre for clash. Him and him for clash. Him and for clash. And Massacre not even answer a soul. And him a do music. And you know hear Massacre nobody in a war. Massacre have a nice family. And him a do him thing. Keep it there, so no. I saw a man in for a role, you know. A whole heap of people around here suffer, boss, man. No draw it no further. Anyway, I want to know what you think, people, about this incident and about how you think about my comment and I want to drop through one I think. So I have bounce out of here as usual and this are Bars Beats Duke Creek. So I say, have that.